So we have a little change in the way we sign up for our preferences for electives, and I wanted to give you a quick video to show you, just in case to aid the process along if you should have a stumbling block. This is a copy of the 5th and 6th elective PE form, but it same applies to 7th and 8th. So you'll see the elective options by day, and when you roll down to your first A-day electives choices, you'll notice the directions say, read the following selections by dragging and dropping your preferences in order from first choice to last choice. So let's practice that. So my child wants to be sure to take strategy, games, and intro to chess first. You notice by clicking and grabbing the choice, I just click down and I've moved it up. You see that it rearranges in your preferences from 1, 2, and 3. So that's all there is to it. Then you would go down to the B choices. And the same thing, you're going to grab, drag, and drop. So my child wants to definitely be in drama on B days, so I put my cursor over here, click, hold, and drag it up, and suddenly they're arranged in order. Second choice is going to be, let's say, strategy games or exploring languages. And that's all there is to this new process of where we drag and drop our preferences in order from first to last.